Everyone, welcome to Imperial Gardens triple break number 114 of 1415 SB game used. Last team to end in the break was the Edmonton Oilers on November 3rd at 6:56 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Over to our current day and time. It's currently Thursday, November 3rd at 11:39 p.m. Eastern Time. We are live on Breakers TV here. And for anybody that has a restaurant break site, you can register out there. And deluxe hit draft for Saturday, and also a mixer break for Sunday. So break 114, and these are boxes 7, 8, and 9 from our 10-box case. So for anybody that didn't follow break number 112, we'll post that right below where we reference the box numbers, or the UPC in the case there. So boxes 7, 8, and 9. So last 4 digits. 3545 for 7, 6450 for 8, and 3317 for box number 9. Let's go over that is sealed and sealed. So here we go, everyone. 35, 35, 45. So we start the break off with a rookie auto of Andrei Burakovsky for the Washington Capitals. Burakovsky. Next one is a Stadium Series patch, 3-color, 4-break patch of Brandon Sutter, 33.99 for the Penguins. And a SP Game Used base parallel, number 29 of 93 of Jakub Voracek, going out to the Philadelphia Flyers. Jakub Voracek. And our next one is a dual authentic fabrics of Henrik Zetterberg and Jimmy Howard, going out to the Red Wings. Zetterberg and Jimmy Howard. And a SP Game Used jersey of Jamie Benn for the Dallas Stars on this one. I'm just going to throw this away there. Box number 8, which is our second box, 6450. Okay, so we got a SP rookie jersey of Bogdan Yakimov out of $4.99 for the Oilers. SP rookie jersey of Timu Pokinen out of $4.99 for Detroit. And a 3-color SP Game Used rookie patch of Vladislav Namestnikov, number 3 of 99 for the Lightning. And a draft day marks, the letter W of Joe Morrill, 30 of 35 for the Pittsburgh Penguins. And right behind it is a draft day mark stars of Zach Parise, number 2 of 10, the letter S. I think there's 10 letters of the S, I think is how they were numbering them, because I know we've hit a few different Parises already. This one is for the New Jersey Devils, the team it was drafted by. And box 9 of 10 was 3317. Definitely the box is definitely better than the ones we've had the last few days there. Okay, so box 3, we got a inked rookie sweaters of Sam Reinhart, number 90 of 149 for the Sabres. 3-color SP Game Used patch of Brendan Saad, 32 of 50. This one is going out to Chicago. Brendan Saad, the Blackhawks. And a SP Game Used stick of Shane Doan, 86 of 99 for the Arizona Coyotes. Shane Doan. And a SP rookie jersey of Marcus Granlund, 127, $4.99 for the Flames. And finishing up the break with a SP rookie patch of Yoni Ortio, 15 of 99, going out to Calgary also. So there we have it, guys. So last box plus 2 other loose ones for tomorrow, and box number 3 of Cup out of the